have here is a full radar laser defense system. It incorporates 2 digital sensors, a front and rear radar sensor that mount behind the bumpers. And we have a laser defense that's front and rear. We use a transmitter and transceiver system that does a brute force transmit to block that laser gun of anything on the market. It also incorporates a 4-color OLED display and a 6-button controller that can be mounted inside the cab to control everything. Not to mention, this has a dual-band Wi-Fi interface that can do over-the-air firmware updates when you connect it to your home Wi-Fi system. So Escort radar also incorporates a convergence app that operates with all of our devices called Drive Smarter. It's available on the App Store. And as of yesterday morning, it's compatible with all CarPlay devices. So that means on your CarPlay OEM or aftermarket deck, all of your real-time alerts for radar and laser, as well as speed traps, red light cameras, and speed cameras on the road will come up on your screen on your device. For more information, reach out to your local Audio Express store and schedule an install today.